first question is from Arun. He's saying, Dean, when I use future charts, even if it is continuous futures in each expiry, for example, I mark a gap in Jan series. When I go to Feb series, there is a mismatch. In trading view, the continuous chart of future is perfect. But brokers have each chart for each series. How to have a single continuous future chart as trading view? A little difficult to do that, because what trading view is doing is trading view is back adjusting all the futures chart. There is a setting which is called as back adjustment, where you can back adjust all your futures chart and the gaps will be removed. They treat it as a split. I used to do that trick in Ami Broker, where you can put in a split. You calculate the percentage difference and all. I used to do that circus, and then it would plot as a nice continuous futures chart. Trading view does it automatically. So difficult to get that thing. But what I suggest, when the new series starts, all right, so for example, let's say a new series starts from tomorrow. So what you can do is, for the first few days or a week at least, you can use the monthly futures chart, all right, that month's futures chart, not the continuous futures chart. But then, what I have learned overall, okay, what I have learned overall is, sometimes what happens, let's say this is a valid question. The next month future chart, let's say it opens here. Let's say this is where the market closes. This is where it is expected to open. It opens here. So what you do in this scenario? Okay, what do you do in this scenario? So what I do is, I will still look at the references similarly. I won't think too much about it. This high, this HVN, this high. Okay, those are my references. What is going to happen? What is the worst thing that can happen? Is that on the continuous futures chart, let's say it is just tagging this high. On this chart, probably it is tagging this high. All right, or it is getting resisted at one of the HVNs. So what I have found is that it actually works, right? It actually works. Yes, the references will be a little weird. Let me see if I can give you an example. Is it correct? Because 29th is absolutely there is no real issue here. Let us go back one series more. November expiry was 30th. Let us see if I can get 30th November data at least. Yes, I have that. So this is November 30th data. All right. So again here, there is no clear references here, and this is the 1st December. Okay. So market opens here. Now ideally, let's say the continuous futures is opening here, but that series, like for the December series, this November value area was here, and the December series started somewhere here. Okay. Now what is happening here, when I look at this chart, and I forget about the expiries and all everything, what I see that, okay, there are these matching highs. We are finding acceptance, so we are kind of breaking out of 2-day range. And what will happen in this case, there will be this HVN. Market probably goes here, and probably trades here and accepts around the HVN. This is still bullish. So what is the next target? Like once this is done, obviously these highs. Make sense? And then it continues, so on and so forth. So what I have understood is that you can find references, all right, nearby references, wherever it opens. Whether you are using the actual series which opens here, then your closest reference is this HVN. If for me the continuous chart, this is not correct, let's say it has that expiry gap and everything, and it still opens here, what is my nearest reference? It is this. It is not this HVN, it is these clustered highs. So I will track according to that. And what I have found is that over the years it has worked well for me, so it has not created any problems, right? So same thing here. So let's say the regular, that month's future chart opens here tomorrow, and our because of this is Jan series, and Feb series opens here, and there is that expiry gap. So what I will do? Okay, I will look at this high, this HVN, and this high, and I will track my trades according to that and frame my trades according to that. Now, yes, it's not the perfect science, or it is not 100% accurate, but it does work. It has worked for me over the years. So I will continue to do that. Okay.